Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking you on an exciting journey behind the scene to witness the charming process of making glass bottle in a factory. Joining with us in this rewarding journey as we discover the secret behind this cutting edge to the iconic vessel that hold everything from our favorite beverage to the luxurious perfume. It's an art and science that only a few people can see up closely. So stay with us. Glass packaging has three neutral ingredients: the silicon soda, soda ash, and limestone. The material are mixed with the recycling glass that called cartel. The cartel is the main ingredient in this glass bottle and container. Once the base mixing ready, it is fed into the furnace for the melting process. The furnace typically operated at extremely high temperature, around 1500 to 1600 degrees Celsius. Next, this molten glass is shaped into the bottle. This process is an engaging trip of accuracy and automation. The automation thread to the molten glass is transformed into the desired bottle, showing the forming stage of pre-using varieties technique. Now watch closely as this skilled glass blower work their magic. Every bottle shape, size and design required carefully attention to detail. From barrel-shaped whiskey bottle to stylish perfume container, it's charming and harmony of art of functionality. Once the desired shape is achieved, the hot glass is carefully transformed into its cooling chamber, where the temperature level are greatly reduced to prevent any internal stress. The cooling process ensures the glass maintaining its strength and durability. Finally, the bottle go through the rigorous inspection process. Quality control team examine the bottle to ensure they meet a factory standard. An inspection may involve various stages, including measurement of dimension, visual inspection for surface defect, and even any automation check for structural soundness. If a glass bottle or jar not pass this inspected, it's returned to glass manufacturing process as a cartel, and container that pass examine glass to prepared for transformation to food and beverage manufacturer. The quality control team only select the high quality product that reaches to the market. After their formulation, the bottles are quickly cooled, a critical step to stain to glass and prevent the crack. Then pass through the annealing oven to greatly cooling to the room temperature and making them the less susceptible to thermal stress. Now that we are clean glass bottle, let's see how they label and prepared for distribution. Label are carefully applied and this bottle are packing for shipment to your favorite brand and store. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Remember to like and share and subscribe our channel. Thanks again.